Hey, what's up there, guys? Corey here with the Android community, and I'm taking a look at a new app called Hootie, H-O-O-T-I-E for Twitter. This just released recently. There's been a lot of talk about Twitter apps not working. Twitter shuts anyone down after 100,000 users. So, I mean, if you paid for something like Falcon Android or Falcon Pro, and it recently reached its limit, you're out of luck. So a lot of people have been looking for other clients. Robird's a really good one, but here we're taking a look at Hootie. So you go ahead and fire it up. And right off the bat here, what you can see is just a very simple and clean user interface. It's very, very big, very bold, easy to understand. The avatars on the left edge are all quite large, and they're HD images. They're very clear. They're not just these tiny little thumbnails that are worthless, kind of like a lot of apps. They do kind of take up almost too much space for me. And if you have photos, they kind of end up being squished in the side of your feed. And when you click on them, it doesn't really fully help you. So it's kind of interesting in that front. But then when you go ahead and hit over, you have tweets, mentions, messages, and search, and that is it. There's no settings, there's no options, there's no notification controls. When you go to settings, you have filter, where you can kind of filter stuff, and then log out. So that's basically it. So Hootie's a really good premise. It's a good idea, and hopefully when they add more features, this can become a pretty stellar app for Twitter. But for now, I mean, you click there to compose a tweet, you can add an image, and that's basically it. So it's definitely in the early stages. You know, you can click on any tweet and kind of get your usual share and favorites and retweet and respond and what have you, like we're used to. But sadly, I was just kind of bummed to see such a good design here that's not really useful fully because it's lacking features. But that's just one of many that are available, but it definitely has some promise. So we're going to be keeping an eye on Hootie, and hopefully the developers can get a little bit more features added to it. So if you're having issues with Falcon Pro or some of those other ones, give this a try, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.